In this video, I'll guide you through how to search properties by county in PropWire. Hey, welcome back guys. So today, we're talking about your PropWire account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting on my other videos, which is how do you search properties by county in your PropWire account? So let's go ahead and walk through the process. This is going to be a quick video because there are not too many steps involved, but this can be a useful feature if you're working with large areas or looking for properties based on county-level information. If you're running a wholesaling business, searching by county can be helpful because many important property records and changes, such as pre-foreclosures, are handled at the county level. The process is done directly inside your PropWire dashboard. I already have my account open, and this is the main home screen. To search for properties by county, start by clicking into the search bar at the top. From there, type in the name of the county you want to search for. One thing to keep in mind is that you usually do not want to type the word county after the name. For example, if you type the full county name with the word county included, it may not always appear in the search results. Instead, type only the county name and then look through the options that appear. You'll see the county name along with the state, and underneath it, there should be a label showing that it is a county. If there are multiple counties with the same name across different states, you'll need to scroll through the options until you find the correct one. Sometimes, certain counties may not appear right away, so you may need to add a comma followed by the state name or abbreviation to narrow down the search. For example, if you are searching for a specific county and it does not appear, try typing the county name followed by a comma and the state. Once the correct county appears, click on it. After selecting the county, PropWire will load all the properties available in that area. Once the properties are loaded, you can begin narrowing down the results using additional filters, such as property type, like single-family homes, or any other filters that match what you're looking for. So, there you have it. If you're wondering how to search properties by county using your PropWire account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier method, be sure to leave a comment below and share it with everyone. Hopefully, you found this video useful. If so, consider giving it a thumbs up or subscribing for more videos, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.